Yo, Eli, what's going on, dude? Welcome to the chat. It has been a while. How you doing, man?
Firmly grasp it.
Or dude. However. Let me just finish up my breakfast really quick and I will get stream started.
Shut your mouth, you mediocre clarinet player.
Mediocre?
All right. I am back.
This is my lab.
All right, let me change the screen really quick. Oh. Spotty? Oh, nah, she's too busy. Yeah, she's just ignoring.
And Patrick is a dirty, stinky, rotten friend.
Excuse me. All right, let's go ahead and switch over. And put some music in the background, yeah? Let me go and do this really quick. That should be good. Okay, let's see. This has no audio. Let me go and fix that. Holy cow, that is loud. Let me adjust the sounds. Let me see how loud it is in the... I feel like it might be too loud. That's pretty loud. It's almost as loud as me. Let me go ahead. Let me put in the other one, actually. That's a lot better. Okay, cool. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it. And then what I'm going to do is there's actually a couple things that I need to go ahead and put some music on. Be pretty good. Is it loud? It's not terribly loud. All right, so let me go ahead and get the URL for this live stream. There we go. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. What the heck? I can't see the mouse. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let me just make sure the controller keys are good. Everything looks good. I actually want to make this a little bit bigger for you guys. There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and run the code. I'm going to type it in, see what it does. I think it's A, or it's it start. Wow, it actually worked. Okay. Okay. Now, here's the issue that I think I'm going to be running into. So, I think I'm going to be running into how... So, let me just go ahead and, I guess, get through this. think it's A, right? Or is it start again? I think it's start again. But if I put starting, I think it'll still work, and that's something that I don't want. And it worked. So that's something that I don't want. That's something that I might have to change. Yep, that's Python right there. What are we working on? We're working on chat playing Pokemon. So right now I'm just doing some tests. I did tests earlier this week, and something that I've been noticing the whole Is it A or is it might be start? Go ahead and put type in start. Why does what? That is so weird. Oh, I know why. Okay. Let me stop the program really quick. I know what happened. Okay, there we go. So I accidentally clicked on the... See, that's one thing about Python, and what I want to try to fix. Yo, what's going on, Charles? Is that with Python, it only works on the focused window. And what happened is I actually clicked on Python on Visual Studio Code, and it started typing in there. So... are you a programmer in your career, or do you just do code for fun? Honestly, I do code for fun. I just started learning like 2 weeks ago, and this is where I'm at. This is kind of like my goal. Honestly, I'm working on... you can go and continue try playing now. I focused on the Game Boy game, so it should start working now. If you do start aid, you could just try out, see what works. But yeah, I do coding for fun. Oh, look, it's working now. And my goal is to work pretty much do almost all the consoles. All the way up to... I don't want to get in trouble doing things, so I might work up to maybe the 3DS or... You know, I know there's been some controversy regarding the... We hacking now? No, we're not hacking. We're just using Python to... control Pokemon, so that way we could do YTChatPlays, whatever game I code it for. So right now I got it working for Game Boy. Next game that we will probably test would be you know, NES, and then after. So here's the thing: Game Boy and NES have the same button layout, so it should be interchangeable. So after a while we could try out Super Mario Brothers on the OG NES, and then I do have some code potentially that's ready to be tested for SNES games, so we could try out Super Mario World or Donkey Kong Country, and we could try out Game Boy Advance games such as Pokemon Fire Red or Sapphire or whichever Pokemon game. So I potentially, if this is successful right here today, we could go ahead and move on to Game Boy Advance games. Let's see. I'm in school for computer science right now, so this is cool to see. So cool to me because I can make sense of it for the most part. Yeah, I remember. Well, when I went to school for automotive, so ironically, I mean, when I see car parts, I know like what they do. So I kind of know that feeling, but with automotive. And I also went to school for communications, but that's something different. It wasn't any type of, you know, IT communication. It wasn't that. It was like verbal. But programming is fun. I actually kind of wish I did go to school for programming. But I do want to change this code a little bit. So here's the thing about it, is that I know right now I think the letter A is working. So let me try it. So it is working, but when you type in a letter that has the word, well, you typed in programming. Programming has the letter A. I think when I tested it earlier, like let me try about. If it works, okay, I guess not. So I guess if it's a different word, it doesn't continue, but I'm assuming if you type the letter A by itself in a sentence, I think it might go. I'm not too entirely sure. And that's actually another reason why I'm looking for you guys to possibly help me out if you guys can. But yeah, I don't want to say I wrote this code all by myself, because I did look up, you know, some things. I will say I wrote probably half of it, more than half. I know I had to look up, because I know how to type in like Notepad, automatically type. But one thing it didn't work is it didn't work on emulators, because it interacts with DirectX, the graphics or something like that. So what I needed to do is get this code that's a library from C++, I think. So I use that, and then I use the press key, release key, and then I linked it up to the keywords that are in chat. Wait, does it work with the lowercase a, or does it have to be a capitalized A? It does not work with the lowercase a. Okay. So I'm going to have to fix that. So it looks like it works with the capitalized A. I know there's a way. Okay, so it does work when you type about and it's capitalized A. Okay, that makes more sense. What I'm thinking about doing is using commands like what Twitch does when you add an exclamation point in the beginning. That way, you know, when it reads chat, it doesn't get too confused about what to input, I guess, if that makes sense. But yeah, I could get to the part where you actually walk around. You guys want to pick the name? Totally up to you. You won't be able to type out the name. You'll have to manually pick the name. You could pick either Red Ash Jack or just select a new, or type in a new name. Let me see. I know there's a way for it to read lowercase and uppercase. I think it's let me see. I'm gonna actually have to stop the code really quick. Okay. So the code stopped for now. Okay, no, those are keywords. I think it was dot lower. I will say that's the difficult part about being self-taught is I need to continue to keep doing this in order for it to stick to me. So let me go ahead and see really quick. So string dot lower. Okay, I think I get it. Okay, there we go. I think it might be that. And then we could try it. See if it matters. Okay, it looks like I have to put the parentheses right after. Okay. Let's go ahead. Let me go and try it right now. So, just to double check. Yo, what's going on, Dark Ismail boy? So I'll do capital A just to confirm that it's still working the way it was before. And for some reason, it's not reading chat anymore. Let me see. Oh, I read yours. Okay. Okay, so it looks like it's not reading it anymore. I might have to do the string. Let me see. The string method. There is another piece of code that I can use potentially. Unless, I don't think this will, no, it won't work. Unless that works. All right. Capital A. That should work. There we go. It just takes a second to read chat, I guess. Okay, so it shows up alert. Oh, that's weird. So, so it's not the message that has to be lower, because it'll show the message all lowercase, even though you type it uppercase, but it's not reading the keyword as in lowercase and uppercase. I mean, I could do the or method. Or just type in or, quotations, and then lowercase a. I can see if that works. Let's see. I'll have to move these. I'll do that later, just in case it doesn't work. Now, up, down, left, to right should work. Let's see. My name is Son Goku. See how it put the M in my when you typed it, it put it lowercase? I need to actually remove that. Okay, so the A worked. So regardless, it has to be capitalized, which is weird. Here, let me try something else. Let me actually remove this really quick. That way it can read chat upper and lowercase. Let me get this really quick. Oh, I turned off the chat. Oh. Is that how I do it? I will say it's a little redundant right here. So I might have to eventually use this one. Oh, okay. I guess that makes sense. I could make everything uppercase. That might be a little bit easier. I think I have to do it where it says a keyword. Oh. Okay, I see it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to really simplify this, because it's a little redundant. Does that even work? No, it doesn't. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a try now. Everything should be uppercase now. It should be reading chat uppercase, and then I'm assuming it's gonna read the keyword in chat as uppercase, and it should activate it. So A and B should be normal. Yo, what's going on, Mikado? Are these chat controls? Yes, they are. Let's see. It's a work in progress. I'm just trying to make it so it's more specific, but before I did have it. Let me see. Because if you typed in words that contained the keywords, like A, if you type in capital A and the word about, it'll still act as if you pushed the letter A. So I'm just trying to make it more specific. I might just have to put an exclamation mark in front of it. Let me go and try the other code. The other code might actually have fixed that. Let me go ahead and undo all this. Switch over. Codes like these tend to be tricky. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, let's try this one. Let me run it. And then it should work now. Let's go ahead and try uppercase and lowercase, and then you could try words that contain. Oh. That was actually the... Let's see. Let me go ahead and get this really quick. There we go. And it should be working now. So it's more like a command input. Basically, you put in the command and the Game Boy should recognize it as a control. In order to prevent these error codes often... Yeah, I was thinking of actually putting a exclamation point in front of it. Just to avoid it. Right now, the only issue I have with this code is the upper and lowercase differences. So I think lowercase wasn't working and uppercase was. So right now that's literally the only thing I need to fix, other than probably putting the exclamation point in front of it. Let me see. Make the name Kakarot? Okay, so A is working. I can manually do it. Let me see. I'll make it Kakarot. Okay, there we go. Wow, it barely fits. Okay, so let me see if lowercase a works. It does not. Okay. Yo, Pika fan, what's going on, dude? You want to do lowercase? You try making it a command like, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'll just make it like that. Let me see. I'm looking at some documentation right now on the side. Calm down, Frieza. Okay, the only difference I see are the ones down here. So let's go ahead and try it out. I'll do that. And then I'll do this. But that doesn't... Seems like it's somewhat working. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. Doesn't hurt to try it out. So I'm going to go and run the code. And then I'll just have you guys... How long have you been busy with Python? Honestly, I just started learning like 2 weeks ago. And this is what I've come up with. That's fully functional. I also have some things that... some coding that I want to have you guys try out as well. Some NES, SNES, Game Boy Advance, and I'm working my way up to DS and 3DS games. But let's go ahead and run it, see if it works. If it doesn't, then I have an idea of what could fix it. So let's run it, and then should be good to test out. So it should work with the command now. There. Okay. So question, does it work with capitalized? It does. Okay. That is okay. That's actually good. So we made some progress. I think that might be it. That was really the only thing I really needed to fix. What if it could read uppercase and lowercase and then fix the issue of water break? I couldn't even hear it. That's funny. Not gonna lie, the music's blasting in my ears right now. So, you guys want to try to catch a Pokemon? Or at least maybe talk to Professor Oak and then battle. You want to try to battle your rival? All right, hold on. Since we named us Goku, or no, since we named us Kakarot, I'm gonna name this one Vegeta. I think you guys can interfere with me as well, which is... All right, I'll get you guys past this, and then you guys are on your own after that. If this works, if you guys can get to defeating or losing, whichever, basically getting past the battling part with Gary, then we can move on to Fire Red. Are there any commands for moving? Yes. So it's an exclamation point, up, down, left, right. AB is AB, and then start and select. So it's basically all the it's all the buttons. So you don't have to type in any like keystrokes. Like it's not W. W would you type up. It seems pretty responsive. Yo, this is insane. Yo, you guys are moving pretty fast. Alright, so far, let me go ahead and see if this works really quick. Seems like it's working, which is good. Now, if you guys want me to, I can have the input longer. So instead of 1 step, should I do 2 steps? Or what do you guys think? Zen, what's going on? X Zen. Stop sabotaging. Yeah, we need to act like we're leaving, and then we'll see Professor Oak, and then you guys can pick your Pokemon. Oh no. Nice. And then I think it's A. Should be to skip this part. Yo, what's going on, Shorts? Welcome to the channel, dude. Alright, I might use this code instead of my original code. Seems a little bit more efficient. Vegeta. Vegeta would say that. Not gonna lie. He would. Smell you later, Kakarot. That's something Vegeta would totally say. Now remember, I can also put in custom commands. It doesn't have to be, I could put like exclamation mark up long and it'll go up 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. But I feel like it'll get pretty crazy if I put in even more commands. There, you guys should. Oh, almost there. Oh, there. Oh, now you guys pick. All right, this is all you guys. I'm not gonna put in any inputs. Now remember, press B if you do not want it. And you gotta press it faster than anyone else. I think it'll ask you. It'll ask you if you want it, and then you select. It is red. It is Pokemon Red. Oh, you got... down, down, down. B? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, I think those were your two options, either B or down and A. But now you gotta look for Bulbasaur, which I think it's the middle one, right? Oh, that's Squirtle. Okay, my bad, my bad. I always forget the order. Bad memory. Yeah, I have really bad memory. Let me do this part, Pika. Teamwork makes the dream work, guys. Oh, do you guys want to attempt to give it a nickname? Is Vulpix on red? I can't remember. Vulpix? I don't know. Let me see. Oh, it is? Okay. And then you just use the D-pad up, down, left, right to choose the letter. Batty. That would have been funny. And then, yeah, I think you got to select the, yeah, you know. This is going to take ages. If more people were in chat, eventually. We'll get there, But again, if there's more people in chat, there might be. Everyone will be wanting to pick their own name. It will be, yes, it will be more chaotic. Yo, what's going on? Shadow Television. What name is it gonna be? We'll see. I think. Let's see. Unless he's gonna do. I don't know. We have to wait. This is a pretty dope idea, and I ain't gonna lie, I miss something like this. Yeah, I don't see it too often anymore. I know it was pretty popular on Twitch for a little while. I haven't seen it done on YouTube. So that's actually why I kind of just looked into Python, into what YouTube chat is made from coding wise, and then just kind of go from there. Bubba. Is there a command button? Yes, it would be !start. Once this is done and ready, then there will be, instead of having the code on the right, I'll probably just have a list of all the commands, and I'll, put chat up probably as well. And then you gotta act like you're gonna leave. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. I have a break now, so I'll be more in streams. Nice, dude. Wait, Kakarot. Sorry for the absence. You're good, dude. You're good. I completely understand. Especially with school and work and, life happens. I will say I will definitely be playing more Pokemon and more Dragon Ball Z and probably more popular games like Donkey Kong Country, Super Mario World, and all that. Mikado, your turn to take over. Have the OGs visited these past weeks? Yeah. Muffin still shows up once she can, almost every day. Zenderman, he says that he's going back to being a therapist, so he's been working quite a bit. All right, remember, after this battle, we'll go ahead and look at Pokemon Fire Red. Or maybe even, whatever Gen 3 game you guys want me to try out, I guess. Do at least one growl and then keep attacking. I like the strat. Oh, snap. Anyways, if you're going to play Gen 3, it'll have to be Fire Red so you don't get spoiled on Gen 3 yet. True, true, true. Oh, right, the potion, it's nearby the computer, right? Or it is on the computer, I think. I forgot already. I am so losing this. It's pretty close, pretty close. Oh, with the scratch. Damn. I think the potion is in your house computer, the Poker Center computer. I've been playing Crystal recently, but this is Gen 1. Ooh, I'm actually going to be playing Crystal on Monday. Am I great or what? Vegeta. Vegeta beating Goku ain't lore accurate. Alright. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and move on to Gen 3. So gosh, I wish there was a let me go ahead and end that really quick. And now, copy this over. Was it this one? Oh, right. Apparently I wrote it works for the Nintendo DS as well. But I think that's inaccurate. Okay. Alright, that should work now. Let me go ahead and grab the URL for the live stream really quick. Wait, Zayn, you should actually play Leaf Green instead? Alright. There we go. Grab the URL. Oops. Okay, then. Oh, wait. What the heck? Okay, there. Save it. I don't think this will work for the DS. Let's see if it worked for the Game Boy though. Unless it interferes. All right, let me see really quick. Oh wow, it's actually working. Cool. Damn, got roasted by Vegeta. Gen 3 gonna be sick to see with this. It'll be dope if it was a full, but it could be slower or more chaotic. True. You learned that there's no Vulpix in Fire Red? Oh, let me start the code for you guys. There. It should work now. You were a Pokemon Pro back then, Mikado? I believe it. I believe it. I was too, but way when I was younger. Oh, why is it stretched out like that? Let me see if I can fix that really quick. My bad. Didn't mean to cut you guys off. I don't like how it's stretching. What the heck? There we go. And then... Okay, cool. Let me go and start it up again. And... You're good. You should be good. Cool. Just to double check, let me try it with it capitalized. Turns out I have no lunch, by the way. Oh no, dude. Okay, looks like it works with capital as well. What will our name be, I wonder? Okay, yeah, capital does work. Now, the Game Boy Advance. That one had only the additional left trigger and right trigger, right? Compared to the Game Boy Color. Yeah. What does exclamation A do? It pushes the A button for the Game Boy Advance. I'll be on the sidelines, gonna use the lab. The lab bro is gonna make some serious concoctions. I'm there. That's funny. In there. AA. Oh, D. It'd be. Ooh, that's actually good. Should I change it to D or should I change it or should I leave it for down? It would be exclamation point down. Spam A. Nice. Because if I change... See, here's the thing is, the only concerns I have is exclamation point left and exclamation point right. Because then I'd have to identify the difference between pushing left on the D-pad and then pushing the left trigger. So for the left trigger, I actually have LT. But I don't think we use LT in this, at least not yet. Then please name us. I don't want to be AAA. What name do you guys want to be? Ash? Red? These Isaiah. Just name us Chat. Nice. Good idea, good idea. Chat. Do you want lowercase? Oh. Oh my gosh. It's pretty difficult on keyboard, I will say that. Because before I was using a controller. So your name is Chat. And then I'll just let you guys take it from here. Cat. And then, what do you guys want to name Gary? Chot? Name him Zen? That's crazy. Alright, let me name him really quick. I can name him Ash? That's insane. Alright, I'll get you guys past of this. And then you guys will just walk around again. There. You guys are good to go. Seems pretty responsive. Name your latest Pokemon. That's a long name. Oh, I gotta show you guys something. I'll show you guys once after Professor Oak talks to you. Something I think you guys would like. Award for the most interactive stream. I try my best. I try my best. Yeah, you leveled up. The more you chat in chat, the more you level up. I think the highest level I have right now would probably be... I mean, Pika fan, you're pretty high up there. I know Muffin is as well. Yo, what's going on? Okay. Wow, 10 people, new record? Yeah, I haven't had 10 people in in chat in a while. I think the most I've ever had at one point was probably 15. And I forgot what I was playing. I think I was playing Minecraft at the time, but that was when I first started streaming. But once you guys get to Professor Oak, I'm going to show you guys something really cool. I think you guys would like. But you guys can let me know once I show you guys. If we get to it. Fixable goal. Did I say what's up to you? What's going on, dude? Hope your day's going well. This is cool. How did you program this? I programmed it using Python. I believe you could see it on the right side on the live stream. That's pretty much all my code right there. Took me about 2 weeks to learn the basics and no, probably yeah, average 2 weeks. I mean, in reality, it took me like a month, but I wasn't working on it consistently. But the time that I put into it probably adds up to about 2 weeks. Especially last weekend. Last weekend, I grinded with learning Python. I spent literally all day Saturday and Sunday. Like, literally like 16 hours. Did you use any AI to assist? A little bit, but most of it I pretty much learned. I mean, I did a lot of research too. I had some issues originally with inputting commands to Windows. Like, I was able to put commands into like Notepad really easily, using like print and then using press key and all that. But since most gaming Windows use DirectX as graphic interface, I had to get let me show you. I had to use C types up top. I had to import that, I had to download and then import it. That way you can interact with DirectX as a command, as a key press. And then I kind of copied it and then I learned about it, how to use it. This was where it starts from send input, where it says define C-type structures, all the way down to where it says class input. I copied that, and then it said from there, put in, you know, this is how you use key press. I think, yeah, it's right here. Define key press, define release key. So it was a lot of research. They did basically the bulk of the work, and I had to learn how to actually use it, how to use the function, and all that. Same thing with chat, reading chat. I had to use YTChat, and then it was that one was pretty easy to understand. Video ID, that's basically the end of the URL for whatever YouTube live stream you're using. And then I had to learn the way that they did it. They put the author the time, the author, and the message, but I deleted the author and the time, so it's just the message that we're reading. And then I had to input the commands that I think these are hex codes from the keyboard that the computer can actually read and convert it. So I basically it's pretty complicated, but yeah, definitely took some time. Thanks, dude. I hope to do this someday. A project would take data from the screen. It's actually better to have less live audience for this to work. Yeah, it is. It is. The more people, the more chaotic, and possibly even the more funny. It is. It is. I did see clips of Twitch plays Pokemon. Yo, that was insane. Be patient, Zen. You can have one too? That's wild. Let's pick Charmander since he can actually fly now. Now chat. Which one will you choose for yourself? Okay. I'm actually gonna pause the code right now. Oh, you can actually move. Let me go ahead and pause this really quick. And then I'm going to actually show you guys this cool thing that I found. And you guys can let me know if you like it. Let me find it really quick. Should only take like a second. Let's see. There. I don't think you guys can pick it. Let me actually make the screen big for you guys. There. Oh, wow. Does it look blurry for you guys? Let me see. Oh, it still looks blurry. It's weird. Looks good? Okay. Alright, I'll go ahead and leave it to you guys then. Let me go and start the code then. And there you go. Should be good. You were playing Pokemon Gold before this. Nice. Randomly chosen ball. Middle. Oh, it's telling you to pick the middle one. I think I could go through these settings while you're doing that. Oh, there's a new update. Interesting. New runs? The commands aren't going through? Oh, there we go. Oh, interesting. I think I commanded too much. Try it now. It should work. Yeah. Okay, cool. Maybe it was just giving you an error because I was going through this stuff on the left. All right. Oh, there's Squirtle. Yeah, it looks so weird on stream. It looks like I'm gonna have to fix that. Not right now, but definitely later on. All right. We could grab a Pidgey and have him fly for us when we need him. Yo, Zenderman, what's going on, dude? How are you, Master Sam? I'm doing good, dude. Name is Zard. Name it Pikachu. I'm doing pretty good. How about yourself, Zenderman? And let me know if you guys like the stats on the left or on the right side. These controls remind me of the game Zork. Well, I am glad to hear that, Zenderman. Glad to hear you're doing good. Zard. You're gonna rummage for something. I could eat, so be right back. You'll be listening. Got it, Pika fan. Sounds good. What happened? You switched it to lowercase. Go ahead and let me see. There you go. One more. Here, if you guys want me to, I can name them really quick. Okay, let me name them. Okay, so would you want to name him Zard? There. And there you go. No problem, dude. Let's see. Let me try all caps. Nice. How old are you, Mr. Zen? In my mid-20s. Nice. Nice. Need to leave, but you want a subscriber. Hey, appreciate that fixable goal. Hope to see you in the future, dude. Mid-20s, get out of here. I thought you were at least in your 30s. No, dude, no. I'm 27. I'm 27. So would that be late? No. I'm actually 26. I'm gonna turn 27 later this year. Close. Yeah, close. Nice. Coding for the DS is going to be interesting. You've never had a Pokemon battle before, have you? Could work with capital letters too. And it does. Does it work with words? And it does. Turns Pokemon faint by lowering their HP to 0 wins. Okay, so here's the battle part. Honestly, I'll probably just use Scratch. Or actually... Use Growl really quick. Tail Whip, okay. If Muffin were here and participating, she could technically no longer say she's never played a Pokemon game. True. Oh, you got the first tackle. What happens if you do it twice? Does that work? Nope, just it only works once. You'll start commanding soon. You're making yourself a weird combination of food as lunch. You're good, dude. Tackle does 4 damage. Nice. Alright, so here's the crazy part. Thinking about trying to use I mean, let me see. For DS games. Yeah, let me go ahead and move on to DS games. Actually, let me stop the coding. And then let's try something else. I want to try Donkey Kong Country. Something else other than Pokemon, just to try it out, see what the controls do. I'm gonna have to open something else. There we go. There we go. Cool. Let me go and pause the music. Okay, cool. So the music does actually work. Okay, so let me go ahead and try it out. Let me start the... Okay, there we go. Funky looks a bit more difficult to control. Yeah, it does. Oh, I know why it's not working. I know why. Because of this. Okay. Should work now. There we go. Oh, that's my save file. Do one player.
Water break.
Water break. Gotta stay hydrated. Yo, this is crazy. The thing about SNES games is I'm probably gonna have to adjust the time. Because watch. I'll go right. It literally just moves like one step. Let me just make sure all the buttons work though. So bees jump, okay. I think you need to make different commands for all types of SNES games. Yeah, I think that might be on a per basis game. But why is roll? Like, watch. Let me go and stop the commands. If I... Oh, I don't think you guys can see. I can actually extend the time. So it's only a quarter of a second. That's what Pokemon needs. But as for... different NES games. Hold on, let me see. Let me duplicate it. There we go. And then extend the time to... Let's just do 0.6. Save it. And then I can run it. See what it looks like. There we go. There. Oh no! I can't do it in time. Okay, so at least we know it works for SNES games. I'm gonna have to tweak it a little bit regarding the controls. So, same thing with NES games. But I pretty much got Pokemon good. Now, as for Nintendo DS games, let me go ahead and try to run a Nintendo DS game. So let me go ahead and close this. Let me actually put the music back on for you guys. Let me bring up the coding too, so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right. So let me go ahead and rename this. I also have PlayStation controls ready to go too, which is pretty crazy. So we could try like Spyro and Sly, or not Sly, Spyro, Crash Bandicoot, Rayman. Holy cow. Where did I move it to again? Oh yeah. Image recognition. I was also working on that. I'm gonna have to work on that. Definitely. Let me go see if I could at least do this. gonna have to figure out a way for Oh, I know what to do. I'm gonna have to create a function. I don't know how, but I somehow made myself tiny cheese, ham, and barbecue sauce burritos that remind me of Subway a bit. Nice, dude. Let's see. Okay. This should work, I think. Not entirely sure, though. Yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. This is gonna be interesting. Very interesting, I think. I don't think I've ever seen someone do chat plays DS games. Oh, I need to check something really quick. Okay. I'm sure it's been done. I can't remember someone doing it though. Yeah, it could have been done. I know a lot of people have made like DS image recognition for like trying to get the best score on a certain game. Okay, let me see. Let me pause the music. Do this really quick. All right, let's go ahead and run the code. There. No, I put the wrong. Okay, let me see really quick. There we go. Platinum? Yes, it is platinum. Start doesn't work. Is it? Oh, it is start. Okay. Oh, I don't think. Oh, okay. So it does work. It just takes a little bit of extra time. Hello there. So very nice to meet you. Yeah, it just takes a little bit of extra time. Probably gonna have to change these keywords to key mapping instead. Okay, this is the part where I'm gonna have to do this because of the image recognition. Here we go. There we go. Okay, cool. Wow, okay, so capitalizing does not work. Okay, so okay, let me do some more coding because I have an idea of what the issue is. Let me go ahead and have that play in the background. Then you've just got to get a But Harry, when you get to this gen, I'm okay, dude. Okay. Okay, so let me go and duplicate this. And then we don't need that. Let me go ahead and copy this over. And then I need to put the extra keys. I need to import. Okay, looks like that's working now. For all the extra commands. I'll fix it right now. Okay. No, I don't think I... No. Intro doesn't belong in there. And x is equal to keyword 9, 47. Oh. There we go. Y is equal to 6. Let me just go ahead and do these really quick. LT 11, 16, 18, 20, 30, 3, 34, 35. Cool. All that is fixed. Keyword 1 intro. I have a feeling it might not work, but we could try it out. Actually, I could do this. I don't need to press a key. I just need to do oh, capital I. There we go. Okay, I have a feeling that one might work. Okay, let's go ahead and run it. See what happens. Nice. Okay. It works. Try capital A. Make sure that works. Okay, that works. Nice. This world is widely... Okay, let's skip. Okay. This is where the image recognition is going to kick in. So you do... exclamation point intro. Wow. Yo, the touchscreen actually worked. What the heck? That means I can actually do other binary. I can actually do other functions then. Binary ain't a baddie. It's the evolution. Oh. That is sick. So I pretty much have Pokemon Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3, and I'm working on Gen 4 and Gen 5 right now. Maybe even Gen 6 and Gen 7? All those might be working pretty soon. I have standards. Here, let me just skip through this part really quick. Let's see. Okay. If that's the case, I might be able to do other buttons. Other touch screen actions. So now, up, down, left to right should work. Yeah. I'm level 3? That's crazy. I don't remember what happened to level 1 and level 2. Okay, chat, if you're late, I'm finding you. Now, is there a potion in this PC? No, there's not. It won't even let me access it. Okay, cool. The X button opens the menu. Let's try it out. Sick. The Y button leaves the menu, I think. No, I think it's the B button, probably. Yep. The yeah, I mean, everything's working fine. Oh, I did plus. Cool. Everything works? Yeah, pretty much. I mean, there's really no reasons to use a touchpad for specific things. There's only a few specific things why you need to touch the touchpad. Even in battle, I mean, you can control it with the regular buttons. There are still a few more buttons where I need to program, but I mean, everything else seems to be working. Let's try. Let me see this really quick. The watch. I'll show you right now. If I go here, if you think about it, I cannot access, like, I can't do this without using the touchpad. At least I don't think you can. Let me try. Yeah, you can only flip your ID card. Let me see. What other do I have? I have select. Yo, Living Shadow, what's going on, dude? I mean, that's pretty much press start. Yeah, so I can't use this unless I have image recognition, which I actually do have this part coded. So let me go ahead and code it really quick, or at least input it in the code. I think it's this code right here. Okay, so let's call it cool. That should work. You were too. I see you're adding a bit of variety to your content. Yes, I am. Doing some YouTube chat plays, and then for whichever game I'll be programming it to. We'll just call it gym open. You were two. Go. And then I guess I might as well put close. There we go. Cool. All right, let's go and try it out. Let me run it. Okay, let's see. What is it? Gym. Nope. Yeah. Definitely a work in progress. That one didn't actually work. So yeah, the touchscreen part, I mean, I got the intro done, but getting this to work, I've got it working before, but there's still a few things that I need to do. I need to crop, because right now it's looking at the whole entire screen on my desktop, that button, but I need to shrink it down so it's only looking at the DS. We go and shrink this time down. Let me go ahead and leave really quick. Okay, so it's working. Try it again really quick. Nope. For some reason it wants to go to the coding. So I'm gonna have to put a specific region. I got about 40 minutes left. The what is it called? Called region? The Python. Actually, that off. That should work. Question is, where's it gonna save it? Is it gonna save it in save? Gotta sneeze.
water break.
You should be able to go up. Let me see. Yeah. Sick. Pretty cool, pretty cool. But yeah, I'll be right back. I'll go and let you explore real quick. All right, I'm back. Is it working still? Trying to go to the Pokemart. Make sure it's still. Cool. All right, I'll be right back. What's going on, Rayquaza? Is it having issues going left? Okay, it's working. Nice, it's still working. I think the stream's lagging a little bit. Because on my end, it's already at the register. I'll keep it rolling though. Yo, what's going on? 29 down laters? Holy cow. Yeah, earlier I had about like 10 people in here. They're all helping out. It was pretty cool. I'm thinking about making it so it's 2 steps. So that way it takes half as long. Or maybe even like the only issue with that, next mission is to catch a Pokemon. I can leave it up and running for you guys. I mean, if you guys are up for it. I know the tall grass isn't too far from here. But yeah, that'd be pretty awesome if you can catch a Pokemon. Dang, dude, you made it there pretty quick. 10,000 years later. Yeah, I fought all the trainers right there. I think that might be the closest patch. It's not giving you an encounter? Let me see if I could help you out. There we go. What was that, like 5 or 6 more steps? Quite a bit. What the heck? Did the code stop? The left, down, right. Here, what? Let me run it again. It should work now. That was weird. And that's exactly why I do have these live streams. So I can debug. Go ahead and try it out, Rayquaza. All right, it's working now 100%. Should be good. All right, dude. It was good having you in stream, Rayquaza. Hopefully, I see you later. What's going on, Pika fan? Just took a small lunch break, but caught a Bidoof. So far, I got the intro Pokeball going. I got the gym buttons. I still need to do the other touchscreen specific buttons, but so far it's, I mean, I got all the other consoles done. I'll just need to work on the DS.
What a break.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end stream here. I'll keep working on this on stream once in a while, once in a blue moon. But yeah, I am so glad we got to work on the DS and soon hopefully the 3DS. That'd be pretty cool. But other than that, I really appreciate all you new people showing up. You guys are awesome, checking out my stream. Appreciate the new subs. All you guys are awesome. And I will see you guys next time on Monday. Monday, I will be playing usual FPS, Rainbow Six Siege, and then I will continue the rest of the stream with some Pokemon Crystal. So looking forward to seeing you guys there. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Let me go and switch screens really quick. There we go. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Let me go and have the little one say what needs to be said.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified when I go live. Stay safe. Peace out. See you guys next time.
Alright guys. Hope to see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Stay zen and peace out. Bye.